Hi, I'm Chef Bob. Welcome to Umami Kitchen. I'm gonna make Japanese fried chicken today. Japanese calls chicken karaage. It's a very popular in Japan. Everybody loves chicken karaage. You can't stop to eat it once you had it. Let's get started. Okay, I will explain about ingredient for chicken karaage. I'm gonna use chicken thigh, maybe 350 grams. Okay, you can cut maybe this big enough. I think 25 grams to 30 grams. And half. If you have, you can see the bone, take it out and cut. Try to cut better same size if possible. Yes, all this size. And put in the bowl. And 2 tablespoons Japanese soy sauce, 2 tablespoons, and 2 tablespoons Japanese cooking wine. So same 2 tablespoons, and you can put Ajinomoto, or today I choose chicken powder. 1 teaspoon. And 3 times shake black pepper, and same 3 times white pepper, and 1 garlic. I think 5 grams enough. I think less than 5 grams, 3 to 4 grams. And ginger, also same, less than 5 grams, 3 to 4 grams, I think. Okay, basic recipe for chicken karaage. You have to mix first, like marinade. And you need to wait for half an hour for all of the ingredients goes to inside chicken. And after 30 minutes, you need to put potato starch or flour, or both of them you can put it. But my recipe today, I want to put additional spice. Paprika, 2 times shake, and turmeric, 2 times, and Garam Masala, 2 times, and Cumin, 2 times, same, and Rosemary leaves, maybe 1, and mix well. And wait for half an hour. Okay, after half hour, you can put 3 times flour, and 2 times potato starch. 2 times. And mix again. If you feel dry, you can add a little bit of water. I put some water. You can keep in the fridge 3 to 4 days if your chickens are fresh, and you can keep freezer maybe 2 to 3 months after defrost and just cook as deep fry. Okay, oil temperature is about 170 degrees. You can put all of them inside oil. My recipe is add spice on basic recipe on chicken karaage. I have a confidence that this is the best recipe of chicken karaage. You can see nice golden color. Please don't forget to stand by a tray. You can take it out, which is done first. And please keep it on the tray for a while, because of to cook with the leftover heat. Okay, just put on the plate. It's very easy, just put. Don't need to do any decoration, just put on the plate. And need a lemon. And I need a Japanese mayonnaise. Very, very good with karaage. Let's try to eat. Oh, beer first. Please together with beer. Oh. Squeeze. Yes. Mayonnaise. Very good. Oh, I can't say anything. Only I can say very nice.